The Royal Palace Hotel and Resort. This is not just a hotel. It is an idea that resonates to class and comfort. An idea that life should be brilliant and comfortable. We provide freshness as your imagination offers surprises that would change as often as you do. This is not business as usual. It is a new way to inspire, create and dream. Because it is not always about where you stay, it is about the memory. Our food is natively grown and fully organic. We provide both exotic and native cuisine, delicacies you cannot resist. Enjoy the serene and virgin environment and a wide range of facilities just 10 minutes away from the city of Hargeisa. Royal Palace Hotel and Resort. Live like a king.